Good evening and welcome to myself, Mac Blogs, aka Ian, and tonight I am staying at the Hampton by Hilton, which this one is in Blackburn. So if you've been watching the vlogs that are close to this video in regards to date wise, then I am doing my Halloween weekend trip. So I'm doing a few vlogs, experiences, Halloween themed. So yeah, hopefully you've checked them out and like them. So anyway, just because I do like bringing this content, I might as well, since I'm staying in these places, all these different places, is bring you some hotel room tours, and hopefully that brings you some value if you're looking to book a hotel or if you're going to be staying here. It lets you know what's here. So let's go and do a hotel room tour at the Hampton by Hilton in Blackburn. So just now I am staying in a double room, which is cost me £212 for 2 nights. As I said, it's Halloween weekend, so I don't think that's expensive, to be fair, for me, because of the location. I think it's actually very well priced. But let's get this camera turned round so you can see the room and not me. So a quick overview of the room. I can't see the view just now. If I remember to bring that view to you tomorrow, I will do that, but you can just see my reflection. I never forgot the view. So let's have a look. Not much of a view, to be honest, but this is the kind of main roundabout, and you come up this way to the hotel. Looks like they have a kind of shopping outlets over there. Like I can see Benton for beds. I don't know if that's B&M there as well. I'm not sure. Might go and check it out if I have time. Over here as well seems to be McDonald's, I think. There. Yep. And this is the view. So that's really it. Generally speaking, bed, little phone there, table, this single socket here with a USB point, which is good, switch for the lights. You've got the TV, big TV to be fair, nice and big, little desk to work on, chair, bin, some shelving, lots and lots of space here. And this is crazy. I don't know why I'm doing that, as if that helps. But a lot of space here. So you got a bedside table with a lamp light on it. Switches to control the lights you see there, which is pretty cool. And that light over there. Single socket, USB point, and then you can control the lamp separately as well. So this is a great area here. This was where I opened the video. I was sitting there. Again, just rather than sit in your bed, you can sit and chill here. Fantastic idea. Nice pictures as well, and a record in me, and a mirror. I don't know, what is that, postcards? And sweet dreams. You get a thermostat here, control your heating. Coming into the hall area, you've got a Smeg kettle with all your usual suspects, coffees, teas, mugs, glasses. Got a double socket here, obviously one getting used by the kettle, but that's a nice point there just to put your phone there. Take my wallet away so you can see the table, the card. Got a safe in this drawer. You've got another drawer with a hairdryer in it. Another space here with the iron. And the iron board is over here next to the door, so that's tucked in here next to the door. Got the fridge over here, just go back here. Another Smeg fridge. Cool. I'll go back over here, so my shoes, my bags, everything else, but got a hanging area here, bag area. But look, all this space. Lots and lots of space. And I never started at the evacuation point this time, plan. People. So, deadbolt, thumb turn, all that stuff, lights and stuff. You can hang coats, etc. here. Big mirror, and wide as well, to be fair, but tall and wide. To the bathrooms, you get this sliding door. So, I keep saying bathroom, but it's like an ensuite. You've got no bath in here. So, nice big walk-in shower. You've got your conditioner, shampoo and body wash there. Got a grab rail there as well. And the sink area, got this cool list of different tap. Got a mirror. These little hooks to hang things on. These are shaving point sockets. Got hand soap, body lotion, towel, more towels under here, the bin, toilet, tissues, and I thought they were donuts. Not donuts, looks like thread and needles. Must be a theme. This is maybe built on top of a sewing place. I'm not sure. Would be cool if that was the case. But yeah, that's really it from in here. And that's it. There's no space under the bed to put any bags under. That's one of my favourite things to do, but to be honest you don't need that because you've got so much space here. Plus you can put the bags where I put mine. And yeah, what more do you need? I'm staying here tonight and tomorrow night. I'm not going to have a lot of bags or baggage bringing back, if I am bringing anything back, but you can stay here longer. So yeah, and back to me. That's it, nothing really else to show, as simple as it is. I will try and get the view for you all if I remember. I am tired though, but I will try my best. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, which is a like. I was going to say give me a thumbs up and a like. Give me a like, subscribe if you love my content, so have a look at my other content. I do other vlogs and experiences and theme parks and all that stuff, so I just like to vlog different things that I enjoy rather than just sticking to one thing. I just like doing different things. And yeah, that's really it. If you stayed here before, if I've missed anything, put it down below in the comments. I'll put all the information of this hotel in the description box. And that's it really, guys. So hopefully that helps, and until next time, the next vlog, hotel tour, experience, you name it, I'll see you then. Bye bye.